The AI revolution, a new era of work. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming our world in ways we could have only imagined a few decades ago. It's changing how we live, work, and interact, making our lives more efficient and interconnected. AI's impact is profound, touching every industry imaginable, from manufacturing to healthcare. From self-driving cars that navigate our streets to personalized medicine that tailors treatments to individual needs, AI is reshaping the very fabric of society. The workplace is undergoing a dramatic shift, with AI and automation becoming integral parts of our daily work environment. Tasks once thought to require human intelligence are now being automated, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. Machines are learning to perform complex operations, analyze vast data sets, and make decisions with increasing accuracy, often surpassing human capabilities. This technological revolution raises fundamental questions about the future of work and the role of humans in an AI-driven world. Will AI usher in an era of unprecedented prosperity, or will it lead to widespread unemployment and economic disparity? The answer, as with most technological advancements, is complex and multifaceted, requiring a balanced approach. AI presents both opportunities and challenges, requiring careful consideration, proactive adaptation, and a commitment to ensuring that its benefits are widely shared. AI's impact on the job market is a double-edged sword. It brings both challenges and opportunities, reshaping industries and redefining roles. On the one hand, AI is automating tasks and displacing workers in certain sectors. This is particularly evident in industries like manufacturing and logistics, where machines can perform repetitive tasks more efficiently than humans. On the other hand, it is creating new jobs and opportunities in emerging fields. The tech industry, for instance, is booming with roles that didn't exist a decade ago, thanks to advancements in AI. In manufacturing, robots and AI-powered systems are taking over repetitive and physically demanding tasks. This not only increases productivity but also allows human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. This automation increases efficiency and reduces costs, but it also displaces workers who were previously employed in these roles. The transition can be challenging for those who need to reskill or find new employment. Similar trends are evident in retail, where AI-powered chatbots and self-checkout kiosks are changing the face of customer service. These technologies streamline operations but also reduce the need for human staff in certain positions. However, AI is also creating new jobs in areas such as data science, software engineering, and AI development. These roles are crucial for building and maintaining the AI systems that drive modern businesses. As AI becomes more sophisticated, the demand for skilled professionals who can design, implement, and maintain these systems continues to grow. This shift highlights the importance of education and training in preparing the workforce for an AI-driven future. The current AI revolution is not the first time humanity has faced technological disruption. Throughout history, technological advancements have led to both job displacement and job creation. The Industrial Revolution, for example, witnessed the mechanization of many tasks previously performed by hand. While this initially led to unemployment, it ultimately paved the way for new industries and jobs. The key difference with AI is the speed and scale of change. AI has the potential to automate a much wider range of tasks than previous technologies, and its impact is being felt across multiple industries simultaneously. This rapid pace of change necessitates a more proactive approach to workforce development and adaptation. Section 4, A World Divided: AI's Uneven Impact. The impact of AI is not evenly distributed. Developed countries with advanced technological infrastructure and a skilled workforce are better positioned to benefit from AI's transformative potential. However, developing countries risk falling further behind if they cannot adapt to these technological advancements. The digital divide, the gap between those with access to technology and those without, could widen as AI becomes more prevalent. This disparity could exacerbate existing inequalities and create new challenges for developing nations. Addressing the digital divide and ensuring equitable access to AI technology and education are crucial for inclusive and sustainable development. Section 5. Navigating the Future of Work. Adaptation is key. To thrive in an AI-driven world, individuals and societies must embrace lifelong learning and adapt to the evolving demands of the job market. Reskilling and upskilling are essential for workers and industries undergoing automation. Governments and educational institutions play a vital role in providing access to affordable and relevant training programs. The focus should be on developing skills that complement AI, such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. These skills are less susceptible to automation and will be highly sought after in the future job market. Section 6. The ethical imperative shaping AI for good. As we develop and deploy increasingly powerful AI systems, it is crucial to consider the ethical implications of these technologies. The decisions we make today will shape the future of AI and its impact on society. AI should be developed and used responsibly, with a focus on augmenting human capabilities rather than replacing them entirely. This means creating systems that support and enhance human skills, allowing us to achieve more together. Transparency, accountability, and fairness should be paramount in AI development. These principles ensure that AI systems are trustworthy and can be relied upon to make fair decisions. We must ensure that AI systems are free from bias and discrimination, and that their benefits are shared equitably across society. This requires ongoing vigilance and a commitment to inclusivity. The AI revolution is upon us. It is transforming industries, economies, and the way we live our daily lives. It is a time of great change and uncertainty, but also one of immense opportunity. By navigating these changes thoughtfully, we can unlock the full potential of AI. By embracing adaptation, fostering ethical development, and prioritizing education, we can harness the power of AI to create a more prosperous and equitable future for all. Together, we can shape AI for the greater good.